gostosa. Early morning here. Looks like the troops are engaging in some military exercises. Actually, they look like overgrown Boy Scouts. Yeah, okay. It's just adventure tourists blending into the local hostile environment. Who am I to talk? Who's the tourist here?
Ça, c'est Jair. This is Jair. It's him lent me the mooring. E Jair que me prestasse essa boia. Obrigado. Nos conte de tanto tempo, man. Yes.
Desde Maria Bolca.
When you come here, you gotta see Jair. He can help you with all sorts of stuff. He helped me find Jeffrey, who's gonna fix my dinghy motor. And Jair is cool. He likes to drink a caipirinha. He's a good sailor.
Pizza.
Ok, Jair.
Tô força.
Oi, tímido, man.
Well, they say necessity is the mother of invention. I need oars. I need to row. Me and Wendy have been rowing like Indians. Now I need to row like a proper oarsman. And I've had to do this because my dinghy motor is waiting for a piston. So, necessity is the mother of invention. And I've invented something to fix my oars. Well, not really. I just went digging through some parts and bolts that I have, and I think I'm gonna have a better solution for my oars. I've had these oars a long time and never tried once to use them properly. I'm a real dipshit. I've been rowing like this forever. That's the bold look of a captain in charge of his vessel, hey? This is a little better, if you're into lowrider style. Okay, there we go. That's how we do it. You're a proper oarsman. A real chiseled gentleman storming out of a romantic novel. And here's the beautiful damsel in distress.
Oh, Wendy, boy bonita. Wendy's so cute, right?
Cuidado que ficamos na mar, viu?
I'm rowing for Wendy because we have no outboard motor, no motor, na dinghy. And so me and Wendy were rowing together, but now I fixed the oars like this so I can row. It's good exercise. Wendy says she thinks I'm a stud. I'm hot. Não sei que eu vou pensar que tá quente, tá sexy. She likes it when her man takes care of her. Meu bom cabaret.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna get something to eat. Okay, here we go. Pronto? Três petadas, pronto. Três para bom.
Seems like we found the spot here. Customers certainly seem pleased. And look who's running the show. TB12. We've scored, yo.
Hola, me and Wendy. We're waiting Peranush patatas. We're waiting for our little shish kebabs, pork shish kebab, some french fries. You know, Cape Verde, no stress. You wait, and you gotta be patient. And if you are, when things come, they come good, man. They come to you good if you have some patience and you adapt to the no stress rule of law here. You'll be well rewarded. All right, so me and Wendy are gonna do a little day trip today. Weather's calm. Been sitting around in the boat, hanging out. We're waiting for our friend Fanny, but she's not coming until Friday. And just to get Wendy, you know, accustomed to life aboard. So we've been going easy. We're gonna go a little further, but I'm like, the weather's not so perfect. So we're going about an hour away with a bunch of tourists, go there with catamarans. Maybe we can talk Wendy to swimming and getting out a little bit, and just to get out, you know? It's nice. I mean, what a boat's for, huh? It's like that boat. Conceição Maria needs a tow. Well, thank goodness for the fishermen. You can always depend on fishermen to either screw you up with their nets or help you. Alrighty, just did an easy jibe. Now we're heading into this bay. Find a little spot to anchor and swim. I was looking at the shore to see if there were any spots to land the dinghy, as well as sandy bottom to anchor Galopin. I found a good spot in a sandy area. We're in Bahia de Mordera. It's about an hour away from Palmera. Thought it'd be a cool place to hang out, just to get away for a little bit. Nobody's here. He's gonna hang out. I'm gonna try to get her to swim. We'll see. We're taking things slow. Remember, she just left her way of life to a way of life here with me. Plus, the water was a little chilly, and there was some current. I splashed my naked white arse in there, trying to impress her. Well, who am I kidding? She impresses me. Sorry to sound vulgar, but holy moly, isn't she just lovely? Jeez whiz. Well, as you can see, I put Wendy to work. We've got to stimulate more viewers. Got to catch up to that Sailing Doodles dude, master of TNA clickbait. Sorry, that's a Sailing Channel inside reference. But I mean, really, we could do better. We're better.
fast sailors, we're gonna feature more bums and cleavage and some real beauty. Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching this episode of Voyage, a real Living Adventure series. It's not fake, baby.